for Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domiciled students of the state of Meghalaya.
Palat news bangut ki kena school kilai shimenta haga career guidance seminar kabala pelong haga arpa artik unaila aca pesan da ka office jong deputy commissioner ka West Janty Hills ha district library auditorium Juwai da ka jingat relang mat ka SPM IAS Academy Guwahati. Haga ni sngi lai don lang ru MLA jong ka Juwai constituency uba welat Miki Shilla u deputy commissioner Abhinav Kumar Singh u superintendent of police Jakpal Singh Dhanuwa u district and session judge Jongka West Janty Hills district u NA Khan but kiwe.
I have been through as the local representative, the MLA, many of the parents or many who have come to me who after completing their degree or their education, they don't know what to do. So I feel it is high time that we should focus on the students. What is the most shocking in it? Before, the unemployed people are only those who don't have education. But the scariest part is now even the educated people who have completed their education also are being unemployed. That is very serious. And we should think about it. No doubt if you say there is no opportunity, no. There is a lot of opportunity, especially in today's time. But with that all opportunities, our choice becoming confusing. We confuse. I hope many of you here today also. There are many who have already decided, I want to be doctor, I want to be engineer, I want to pursue for IAS, IPS and so many things. But there are still many of you who don't know what you want in life. What you like. What is your USP? What is your strong point in you? There are many of you. So that's why this program is very important. We are here to guide you, to help you realize what you are good at. You have different talent in you. Many of you have many aspirations in different fields. We are not stopping you. But like our SP said, you have to be the best out of them. Workshop, that won't help you. But if you want to be a mechanic of a Formula 1 car. No dream is too small. So that's why your decision is very, very important. And my advice to you, know yourself, seek guidance, stay updated, that is very important. Because with the coming of AI, it will be very challenging. No doubt many people say that AI will replace job. No. AI will replace the job of that person who don't know AI. That person, he will replace the job of that person who don't know AI, artificial intelligence. So it's very important for you to stay updated and work hard. That is very important.
Dr. APJ Kalam, in his book, Igniting Young Mind, he does not talk about teaching. He does not talk about teaching. And what you take from here It's not all about we are going to tell you something and you, as a magic, you know everything and you know how to prepare for your academy. It's nothing of that sort. What we want to do is that just ignite your mind. Just instill a passion in you that there is something you should know. There is something called careers and there's diverse careers. So you need to search for yourself. And that you can do it only when you understand the entire concept of education.
Many of us will enter into jobs. You understand the difference between job and career. Job is me going to office, doing the minimum possible, getting my salary, coming back home, pouring few drinks, then fighting with my wife. Huh? So that is job. Career is, I don't even know when I get ready, when I go to office, what work I do, because the work has become part of me. You understand? When you get your own calling, now all of you are different individuals. Some of you might like law. Some of you might like mechanics. See, some of you are lucky. Rather, all of you who are sitting here are lucky that you are being guided. Believe you me, compare yourself with your country cousins who are living in faraway villages. What guidance are they getting? Nothing. So, feel yourself privileged that you are being guided. So, take advantage of this session. Okay, the third is seminar. Seminar is basically a technical term, but it is more or less exchange of ideas. Now, if you will sit there like statues, excellently crafted by God, there's no point sitting there. Engage, ask questions, make the people, so-called experts who are sitting here, uncomfortable. That is your job as young students, to make life of your teacher, your counselor uncomfortable. But understand that this entire process has to be followed within the bounds of respect. Right? Same, you go to your classes, there also, like this is a process. Today is basically the beginning of the process to provide the ignition to your minds that, okay, these are the opportunities, this is how I can do, this is where I can excel. And sometimes you may think you are a good singer, but public doesn't like you. So you also have to have that capability to change track in life. So all in all, if I were to tell you, if somebody was there to make me understand at age of 20, at age of 18, at age of 16, that there is a huge difference between learning and education. Okay, imagine, let us do a thought experiment. 500 years ago, any of our forefather or foremother, were they educated? Not really. But they were learned people. They learned through their life experiences. But now, as society is progressing, what is happening? Increasingly, our parents are sheltering us, protecting us. Till the age of 20, some of us who privileged like me, till the age of 30 also. My father kept on giving me money. Right? But that is hindering the learning process. So kids, understand one thing. Learning will come through education, yes, through books, but also through experience. So rather than learning, all of us are curating ourselves, trying to project the best side of ourselves, which is basically curating. Now you can learn from that also to look good, to wear good clothes. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. But then you also have to understand, to have resources commensurate to your aims, to your dreams. Your path has to go through such career-related opportunities. Okay, avail the opportunity, understand yourselves better, and then try to be somebody in life.